Hi, my name's Amanda, and for my final project, I'd like to present some of my findings on the benefits of using art education with special needs students. So, there's a few general reasons that the arts are beneficial for students, but the first is that they promote creative thinking and problem solving. This is especially important because it allows them to participate in a lesson without worrying about the right answer. These benefits would be extended as well to students in a class that have disabilities or disorders that are yet to be diagnosed. Integrating art into the curriculum and classroom can also prevent students with disabilities from developing secondary problems like speech delays and feelings of isolation by helping to include them in lessons and conversations. This creative and verbal type of expression is super valuable for both special needs students and their peers. In order to maximize the benefits of art within special needs students, it can be helpful to write it directly into the IEP, which allows specific accommodations to be made on a case-to-case basis. Having a specialized school art therapist can be a huge help as well, as they can help train special educators and advise lesson plans for teachers of both art and academics. An example of art as therapy would be working with manipulatives like clay or Play-Doh to help a child with delayed motor skills. Art in therapy can be as simple as using an art project to engage a speech-impaired child and open up communication. When art is properly integrated into the classrooms of students with special needs, there can be pretty tremendous social benefits. Open-ended assignments allow students to focus, achieve a goal, and feel successful, which leads to increased confidence and self-efficacy. Improved communication skills aren't uncommon as students experience a slightly leveled playing field through artistic lessons. As communication improves in the classroom, so does unity and understanding among diverse peers. In general, art can help special needs students moderate and control their emotions, which improves their interactions with their classmates. Cognitive and emotional benefits include reduced stress and improved attention, abstract thought, and emotional regulation. Interesting hands-on activities in a safe environment help students practice focusing and engaging the creative parts of their mind. Other cognitive benefits include increased sequencing and memory abilities, as well as improved synergy between the verbal and nonverbal mind. Broader academic benefits of using art in special education include increased cross-curricular achievement and higher participation in the classroom and the student's individual learning. Art is also very useful in reinforcing concepts, such as having the child draw and talk about a fish they learned about in science class. The more ways you can engage a special needs student's senses, the better, because it creates a richer learning experience. Activities like working with manipulatives or paintbrushes lead to improved motor skills and fine motor coordination. Art also has a relaxing effect on many students, which can cause overall hyperactivity to be reduced while in the classroom. Here's a few basic things to keep in mind when tailoring an art lesson to be used with special needs students. Using a ZPD can help teachers ensure progress and achievement in individual students. A wide range of materials ensures you can find what engages and benefits that child most. Careful supervision and feedback from an adult is invaluable to special needs students during their artistic process, but it's important to remember that the adult is there to facilitate and the child should be doing the majority of the work. Art lessons can be tailored to a child's individual interests to excite them and keep them focused and learning. Activities should be simple and engaging and work best if they can be completed in one session. Here's my references. I really enjoyed researching this topic, and I hope to apply my findings to the classroom if I become a teacher in the future.